Hey everybody, let's talk in this video how we could do implement for binary search. So to get started with binary search, I just create a new file and I would say this file should be binary search. Here you go, binary search, and make sure to create this main method. Still, I'm using same way that I used here. What I did here to use the binary search, I used this 3 line. Just make sure to copy this line from linear search, 3 lines, and add them here. First of all, you define the dataset, then which element you want to search for, then it's found false. So, what you would say, you would start binary search. So what do you think the binary search have to have? First thing, you have to have low. So I say integer low index equals 0. Low index in the array is 0. Integer the high index in the array. So what do you think high index should be in the binary? Should be, for sure, should be the data dot get size, for example, data.get size -1. That's mean last element in this array. Then you have integer mid. Let you suppose mid now it is 0. I did not initialize it for anyone. So here you go. This is basically how binary search work. You have low, high, and you have also mid. So to get searching, you say okay, while is found is not true, like what is not found, like mean is found is not true, like while is not found the element. If we start searching, do binary search. So what do you think binary search have to work? First of all, you say okay, let me suppose finding the mid. So how you find the mid? You say okay, low plus what you say plus high minus low over 2. Is that right? Yes, this is how you find the low. You say low mid coming from low plus high minus low over 2. This is the rule. Then you say okay, let we check if the data for the number for the mid is the element that I'm searching for. Call the search. So make sure you're searching. Call the search one. That's mean yes, we found this, so we no longer need to do search. You say sys or you say number is found after, okay, and number of try. You make sure to mention the number of try. You say number of try. What you say, how you find the number try? Say data dot number of try. You just say okay, I find this number after this many of try. Okay, then you say break. I'm done. I found it. Break the rule. Break this one and go out. So this is if you found it, if you find the element. So what if you don't find it? You have to make sure to say okay, if the data for mid, okay, less than the search number, the number that I'm searching for. What does mean? That mean I would change the boundary search. I would move the low should be mid plus 1. Why? Because if you think about it in this way, you think about it draw. So if you suppose drawing, you think about this mode, and here is the mid, okay, and you find the search number is here greater than the mid, so the low should be goes here. So here you have to low. So how you have it to low should be mid plus 1. Same thing for the high. So let me just copy this line and move it next. You said if the mid greater than search number, it's opposite operation. So the high should be mid minus 1, because when you get it, if you have this mid, here is the mid, and the number is here that you search for, so you have to take the high to here, so you change your search space to this place only. So this is basically how your code run, but this code will never stop. You have to stop it if the number is not found. So you have to check if the number is not found. So how you would know the number is not found? You say if the low be greater than the high, that's mean you search in all the space and you did not find the number. You have to say sys number is not found, and you say here you go, a break. Okay, that mean I tried to search through the number, but I would not find it. So hopefully now everything is cool. Run. Number is found after 0 try. Why? Because you find the number from Does that mean? No. I think there's a problem. I did not increase. I have to increase the number of try plus one for every try. That means whenever any try happen, whenever I get a mid, I have to say number of try plus plus, so user could understand how many try they found. See, here he find number 90 90 90 after 19 try. So that means this code get executed 90 times, which is good if I compared with the other one. So that means, hey, this code get executed 19 times to find this number. While if you go back to this one search, you say this number is finded after, if you run it, say this number find after 90 90 90. It's too much. So binary search is reduce the search space too much for us. For that reason, we say binary search should be log n, okay? Because he reduced the search space to mid, because instead of 1,500. So yes, this is basically how you do work with binary search. So yes, here we're done, and thank you for watching.